Boop, 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 boop. All right, oil change. All right, here we go. There's no timer there. We got a 10-second video. It says run the truck for 5 minutes. All right, so we're done. Now we get to come in the truck and turn the ignition. Come on, spin off. Dang it, man. Yay! We did it. There. This one. Let's see. No. 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 Alright, Mobile 1 filter. And we just top it off. Alright, there we go. Here we go! Alright. Do the drain plug in. We got the oil filter on. Alright, so what I'm doing is I'm mixing my Lucas with my last quart of Mobile 1 and my Marvel Mystery Oil. But this takes forever to drain. So we're going to mix it in with this oil so that way we can get the best bang for our buck. Mm-hmm.